Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how can you create Springboot web application using Amazon Q. To start with Amazon Q, first you need a AWS account. So you can create a free account from this website. You need to complete the sign up process. Once you create the AWS account, you are ready to use AWS. Now, this Amazon Q developer supports only few IDs. I'm using Visual Studio Code. So you can use the same. So to start with Amazon Q, first you need to install this extension in the Visual Studio. If you see, I don't have any project here. So first I will install the extension. Search for Amazon Q and just click on install. So you can see it is installed. Once it is installed, you will see this option to log into your AWS account. So click on the free to use free tier account. Click on continue. It will ask for external link. Just click on open, and it will ask for the approval. Just click on allow access once it appears. Okay, so basically this is asking you to give access to Visual Studio Code for your AWS account. Click on allow access. Yeah, it's approved, then you are ready to use. Now come back to Visual Studio Code. You will see you are logged in and it is opening the chat window. So this chat window is similar to what we have in ChatGPT. You can ask questions here and get the answer. You can ask your code if you want to refactor your code, or you have some queries you can ask here. So you see this same Amazon Q has multiple features like slash dev, slash doc, slash review, slash test, slash transformation. So each one is has its own features. So I will go through one all of them once we develop the code. So it's up to you whether to you have to accept the code or reject the code. So this will generate the code for you. So today what we'll do, we'll generate a simple Spring Boot web application for exchange rate API. So I have used a free tier, not the free tier account, but some free APIs. So this is the API which I got to get the exchange rate. So this is the URL for this. And if I open a sample JSON, so this is the response of this API. So it will pass a currency code here and give the exchange rate with other currencies. So if I pass INR here, it will give me exchange rate for other currencies with respect to INR, Indian currency. Now to generate this application, we have to give proper prompt to Amazon Q so that it will understand our requirement. We have to write in plain text what we want. So I have written my requirement like front end, what should be there in front end, what I need in back end. So front end, I need a login page, then a welcome page with exchange rate of US dollar to INR. Then there will be a section to enter the text for exchange rate. And in backend, it will make a API call to the URL which we have just checked now. So let's give this copy this prompt and paste it here. Type slash dev, then select and paste your query here. Click enter. Now, if it is saying I couldn't find a workspace, so for that you have to create a folder. So if I go here, just create a new folder for this exchange rate. Select folder, then type slash dev and enter your prompt. Now it is showing it will generating code for me. So it will take some time depending on the query which you have. So let's wait for the response. Now you see it has generated all the files, the HTML file, index page. So just accept all the changes, and once you accept, you will see the code in your project. So if you see this src, it has all the files, config file. Let's go to each file one by one. This is my controller, exchange controller. So similar to what which I have written in the prompt. Change rate response. Okay. This is the base URL. Then if I go to resources, my application will run on 8080. So this 8080 will be busy. So I'll keep change this port to 8085. So let's start the application. Just click right click, run Java, or this is the option first, running the application, run Java. See, uh, application is up. Let's check the UI. Alright, we have got this login page. So first do sign up. Username I will keep, let's give test user. Password anything. Then give the same here. Sign up. Now if you see we have got error. We now we can resolve this using the chat feature or with slash tab feature. So because we are getting this error in sign up, so let's ask Amazon Kit itself to fix the issue. So what will I will write what exception we are getting and ask Amazon Q to fix the error. So let's type here slash dev and so it will review the code and find the exact line where the issue lies and it will give option to fix the code. If we see the option here, so error is occurring because user is reserved keyword. Okay, so I think it has changed the keyword now. Okay, it has created the users table. So accept all changes and restart the application. Now check the again. Click on sign up first with test user. Okay, I'm able to sign up. Now do sign in with test user again. Okay, now there is again some issue. I am not able to log in with the given credentials. So let's check again here. Login feature is not working. Okay, so now we are able to log in. So if you see, it is showing the current exchange rate from US dollar to INR, and it has given currency converter option by default. It is showing list of currencies here. So if you see the prompt which I given, I have not mentioned any list to be given, but what it has done, it has internally checked the API and check which all currencies are supported and given in the drop down list. Now if I select INR here and check for say USD, convert, it is given the rate. I can select here GBP, GBP to INR, click on convert, it is giving the current rate. So this is how we can use this Amazon queue. So if you see, we have not written any single line of code ourselves. We have just given the prompt to write the code. Now we can explore other features of this Amazon queue. So first we'll do generate the documentation. So we write slash doc, create readme file. So see, this is the readme file it has generated. Given the project structure and all the endpoints which are there in this project. Then we can generate JUnits test cases for the service class. So we'll go to a service class, then right click, send to prompt, or there is option to generate test. So click on. So this is how you can use Amazon Q to create applications. It's about multiple language, but I'm using Java here. In documentation, it has mentioned which all languages are supported, so you can explore. So that's all for today. Thank you.